How's it going, guys? I thought I would come on here today to show you guys something that I just recently got, and it has to do with the channel and how I film and all that. And what you guys have seen for quite a while, particularly the road trip videos, have been filmed on this camera here. This is my GoPro Hero 7 Black. I have had this camera for several years. I can't even remember when. I think I got it like a year or so after this model come out. I don't remember when. And it has been basically my go-to camera for a significant majority of the videos that you've seen here. The other things that I've recorded with has been my cell phone and of course a Canon M50, but for the most part, especially the travel stuff, it's been my GoPro, simply because this thing will literally drop in my pocket and it gets good video, decent audio, and all that. But recently, I got something that I thought I would show you guys, and that is the GoPro Hero 13 Black. I did not get the full accessory pack, which I didn't really need it because of all the stuff that you get, but this was actually a Christmas present. I talked about getting one of these, and sure enough, certain people heard, and I got this as a Christmas present. So we're just going to open it up. Comes in this nice little case. I'll put a link down in the description of this video if you guys are thinking about picking one up. Not the first time I've had it out of the package, but I just thought I would show you. You're going to get it something similar to this. You can see all your literature stuff up top here, and and just all the stuff that it comes with, and your book and all that. And let's just go ahead and see a few of the things. Do get a couple of these, a couple of the clips, a couple of the mounts, and again, like I say, I've got tons of these things from over the years. I like this. It's a dual charger. You get 3 batteries with this kit, and you get one, and one in the GoPro, and then 2 others. And these batteries, you do have a much longer runtime with these batteries. Here's one of them. These are not compatible with the older GoPros. That's something that you're going to need to remember. In fact, I'm going to show you a battery from one of the older ones. I can pull it out here. Here is a battery from my Hero 7. As you can see here, this is compatible with a lot of the others, but you can see the big size difference. I mean, there's a big difference in the battery. So no, the batteries are not compatible with some of the older models. Now, I'm not getting rid of my Hero 7. I'm sure I'll still be using it, and all that kind of fun stuff. But here is the GoPro itself, the Hero 13 Black. You do get a front display. You do get a few other features too. Now, the 12 and the 13, if you're considering those two, I would suggest going with the 13. That little extra price difference, if you're looking to get one, is to go ahead and step up and get the 13. Now, the you can see on the bottom here, you do have the mount, traditional camera mount, threaded mount, and then you also have these little flip down things to where you can use the traditional mounts for your GoPro. And I'm actually going to do a little bit of video with this camera that I'm going to be rolling in here, and I'm going to do it at daytime as well as at night, just to kind of show you the video quality. But now remember, guys, with the compression rate and everything on YouTube, you're not going to get the full video quality on this. I mean, this thing can record extremely high quality video, and that's one of the reasons I wanted to get it. Did come with a 64 gig card. I was surprised about that. I know sometimes you don't get SD cards with cameras, and sometimes you do. This time it did come with one, and so I was real glad about that. Because I mean, I know that I would have to get another card if it didn't, which I would have anyways. I'm probably going to pick up a couple of extra cards. Get a couple of cords for charging and for connecting to your camera. And I would highly suggest that you get the app that, where you can control your camera. And it's another one of the things that I like about it. The app is one where you can actually sync your camera to your phone and do live view. That works real well for framing your shots and things like that. A little bit better than the screen that is on the back of the GoPro. And in some of the features that are there, plus you can actually transfer your files from the GoPro to your phone. And I have actually, some of the videos that you guys have seen on this channel have recorded them on my GoPro, transferred them over to my phone, literally edited them and uploaded them from my phone. So, I mean, that's a very handy feature, especially if you're going to be out vlogging and things like that. But I know there's a lot of people out there that can get into the specs, that can get into the settings, the best settings and stuff like that. I'm not going to get into this because I'm not an expert. I know a few of the things that I like on it. I make sure that I have the stabilization turned on. I have not the fisheye lens. I don't do that. I don't have, you know, for the fisheye. Keep it at 60 frames per second, and just basic standard stuff is the settings that I personally use for most of my videos. And it works out well, you know, for the style videos that I do here on this channel. Maybe I'll do some more creative stuff at some point in the future. But for now, guys, what we're going to do, I'm actually just going to take it outside, show you around on my property. It's a bright, sunny day. Currently, it is New Year's Day, and I'm just going to show you the video quality that you get. And then later tonight, I'm going to come back and go out again and do some night video, some night, you know, just show you how well it works in low light. But around here, it gets pitch black because I live in the middle of nowhere. But guys, for now, let's jump outside and check out the video quality of the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Guys, here we are outside with my GoPro. I'm just walking out onto my property. I've got my neighbor's backhoe over here. He's been doing some dirt work for us, done some cleanup around the pond, got rid of a big dirt pile that I had here, and actually filled in another spot over there. But you can see it is a bright, sunny day out. And just to show you guys the video as far as what it looks like during the daytime. Look over this mess here. I still got to do some work with the tractor to get it smoothed out, all that kind of fun stuff. But it looks much better down there at my pond. And I really like how that looks. But guys, yeah, this is what the video looks like. Also, you can tell what the audio straight out of the camera looks like. I'll probably get some mics at some point in time. And I've got a couple that I got for Christmas as well. I don't think they're going to work with this, but you know, no big deal. Those mics are going to be used for other things. But for now, you can see the daytime video. What I'm going to do now is come back out later tonight after the sun's down to show you what the low light video looks like. And I can tell in the viewfinder with it real bright out behind me, it's virtually impossible for me to see the front screen as far as what you're seeing. I can see it a little bit, but not much. So again, this is very bright, and that's why I say use that app, and it'll help you frame up your photos, film your, you know, edit your photos, your videos, all that kind of fun stuff. For now, let's jump over to the nighttime view. All right, guys, we're going to do this in the same general direction as we did the other video. This is looking down toward my pond, as you'd seen earlier. Currently, it is 5:22 on January the 1st. The sun has been down for a good while, and pretty much the only light that we got out here right now is the moon and the street light over there. Or I guess you could say security light, whatever you want to call it. You're not going to call it much of a street light out here where I'm at. But you can kind of see what the low light performance is. Again, this is a GoPro Hero 13 Black. Not sure how well you can see me currently, but you know, this is how this camera looks during low light. And this is something that I wanted to check because, as you guys know, some of the videos that I do are at night when we're at Smokies, Dollywood, things like that. And of course, there's usually some light around, but unlike, you know, where we're at right now. But still, I wanted to show you guys how this camera performs. Currently, I'm walking toward the security light just to get a little bit more light here and give you guys a better perspective on how it looks. But again, guys, check the link down below if you're interested in one of these GoPros. I would recommend getting the Hero 13 Black current revision. I think it's great. I know there's other models out there. The videos are great. I've done some comparisons before settling on this particular one myself. The video, I think, between the 12 and the 13 is almost indistinguishable, but the 13 does have a few extra features that I think that the money would justify if you are in the market for getting one of these. But guys, just a few of my thoughts. We're going to jump back inside now And a few closing thoughts there. Guys, hope you liked the video. Again, it's just a few of the clips from the Hero 13 Black, and I really like it. I like this camera. I know it's going to get a lot of use, especially on a lot of the videos that I do. You know, I've got some videos coming up where we're going to be going back to our favorite spots, as well as try to go to a few other places. Maybe go to a few places here in Kentucky, things like that. I don't really know what to do. I just random stuff is on this channel. I just film when we go out in different places, and nothing really organized or anything like that. But guys, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Check out the links below. Again, check out the GoPro. I'll put a link to where you guys can pick up one of those. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Please like and share the video, and we'll see you next time.